Turn left में. Turn left में.
I'm here at Grazia to promote the young talent that exists in this country, and I'm very happy to be here. They've been trying to get me for so many years, and this is the first time that the dates matched. So I'm very happy to be here and to give away one award for the evening. I have no idea. I'm just going to go along with the flow and listen to what the Grazia people tell me. Among the young actors, I think there's such a big toss-up between Sonam Kapoor and Fawad Khan, who I know is going to be there to give away an award. Thank you.
Aishi. I'm looking forward to it. I think Grazia has been always one of the fun magazines that I've been involved with. You know, always on the forefront of fashion, and yeah, I'm really happy to be here. Fashion is about personality and trying to translate today's world and the changes that are happening through fashion, I think. In Bollywood, I think Neha Dhupia dresses very well. I think that Kangana has pretty cool taste. Sonam, yeah. The boys all dress the same, so they all just wear black suits. So it's hard to say, except for Ranveer Singh, of course. he's like a Christmas tree. Yes, the national award. Yeah, I'm super excited, super happy that the film got that kind of recognition, that I have got that, and you know, I'm just really, really happy. There's no complaints. प्रेशर बच जाएगा प्रेशर क्यों बच जाएगा ना अच्छा होगा ना अवार्ड के बाद मतलब शायद थोड़ा थोड़ा रिस्पेक्ट भी मिल जाएगा पता नहीं देखते हैं No comment. No comment on my personal life. Thanks.
Actually, today, 99% of the time I style myself, but today the Grazia team has styled me in a young designer, Tanya Khanuja, which I think is really relevant and cool. I think the Grazia Awards is fashionable, trendy, cool. It's not a typical red carpet where it's all about gowns and really being over formal. I think it's a lot more relaxed, a lot more fun, and so I'm doing like this, it's almost like a jacket, dress, wrap kind of look. It's very different from what I normally do, but it's cool, I think. Whites, my ideal summer day look. A lot of white, a lot of softness. I still love my denims, but it's got to be with a white top. Just pretty whites, denims, just keep it cool, comfortable and pretty. Oh, and bulk. I mean, it's a little predictable now for all of us to say Sonam and Kangana because, you know, it's a fact that they are fashionable. So for a change, I'll just say me. And oh my God, the boys are so dapper nowadays. They're all so well turned out. From, I mean, you know, I've always, Mr. Bachchan has the best style, and Saif always looks dapper. I think all the boys are getting more and more stylish. It's hard to pick one. You know, Ayushman's trendy in his own way. Fuad is handsome in his own way. Everybody has a style, I think, right now. Yeah, thank you.
Quick pic for Brazil?
But I have to check the picture first.
Oh, okay, no problem.
Thank you. I love this mandatory line on the red carpet for everyone. No, we come dressed up to only hear this. Trust me. Tell me. Urvashi Joneja for tonight. Oh yes, yeah. It's been 3 years, 3 films, 2 releases, 1 still pending. Finished, almost finished 1, halfway through the 5th one, so it's quite good so far. Yeah, I totally have. Like when I started my career, I was almost having like 7 releases in a year. I practically had no time to attend events to even know how I'm supposed to present myself. So all credit goes to the one angel that came into my life called Devki, my stylist, a year and a half back or so. We started our journey together and rest is history. In Bollywood, I think all the leading ladies, especially the, I shouldn't call them seniors because they are almost like around the same age. But all of them, I mean the ones who are there are doing a pretty good job, be it Deepika, Priyanka or Sonam or even Kangana for that matter. All of them are doing a fabulous job. You all have a good and a bad day, some off days, some good days, but overall everyone is doing good. Oh, superb! It's mind blowing. It's gonna be the most toughest and the best out of me so far. He's a rock star. I mean, it's a pleasure working with him. He's seriously a rock star. So, I'm also working. Abhi second schedule start hone wala hai. We'll have a pretty intense scenes ka session for the next schedule. So, looking forward to it. Sorry. I actually was before I joined the shoot, but I had to forcefully keep that aside. Otherwise, मेरे हाथ पैर कांपने लग जाते. Otherwise, I wouldn't have been able to shoot really. But it was there somewhere at the back of my head that I'm standing next to Amitabh.
No, do that. That's so cute. Yeah. Perfect. Thank you. Allow me करने का answer. Hi. Hi. How are you? Thank you. Well, I think it's going to be a great fun. I'm looking forward to it. पिछले साल के बारे में मैंने बहुत पढ़ा था और I missed being here the last year. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm sure it'll be exciting. I'm wearing Veranda. It's a very, very comfortable, one of my favorite colors, and it's a beautiful jumpsuit. So I'm very happy in this outfit right now. My perfect summer day. Oh, I think something really like flowy and easy breezy. White is my favorite color this summer, and yeah, definitely something on those lines. I think amongst my fellow peers, I find Alia very stylish. I think she's got a very cool, easy breezy style, which I really admire. Other than that, Deepika, I think she's got a fabulous body and she can carry off anything. So yeah, these are the 2 very stylish girls. In men, I think Akshay and Salman can carry off anything. So yeah, they're very stylish. Yeah. And Ranveer, of course. Yeah, he can pull off anything. मैं क्या? मैं नहीं देखती हूँ ना ट्रोल्स को. उनको देखकर क्या करना है? जो लोग अच्छा बोलते हैं उन्हें देखना चाहिए ना. They could, but then it's up to you to whether you ignore them or you acknowledge them, right? So it's better to ignore such people. These days I'm very busy with preparing for Force 2, my next schedule of Force 2, and I'm really looking forward to it because I'll be resuming shoot after a while. So we're going to shoot some very cool action sequences and it's going to be very exciting. नहीं रिसेंटली नहीं, बहुत टाइम हो गया उसको. कल आपने सवाल पूछ लिया तो मैंने जवाब दे दिया. बट हाँ, मैं काफ़ी बड़ा, मैं ठीक हूँ, बिल्कुल ठीक, फिट एंड फाइन. नहीं बाबा, रिसेंटली अब आप सवाल पूछते हो फिर मैं जवाब देती हूँ कि मैं समटाइम इन द फ्यूचर के बारे में सोच रही हूँ, तो वो हेडलाइन बन जाता है कि मैं कर रही हूँ. तो अब ये थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन दूर करना पड़ेगा. बट आई कैन थिंक अबाउट इट क्योंकि मैंने फैशन डिजाइनिंग स्टडी किया है. So maybe sometime in the future, but nothing planned as of yet. Thank you.
They want some calendar.
Yeah.
Hi.
Thank you.
One picture with you.
Yeah, I want a picture and I want to touch her. Thank you. One for Andy, for Razia.
What?
Little this way. Sorry.
Make it perfect then.
Are you kidding me?
Hi, how are you? हर बार नहीं कभी कभी दिखता है. I'm walking the ramp tonight for Sahil Aneja, तो उसके लिए मैंने ये किया है. Yeah. I think it depends on the occasion. In fact, कल मैं जब होस्ट कर रहा था जीमा वॉच तो मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया था. It was a more massy show. I think this is Grazia, so I think we can push the envelope in that. I'm wearing Sahil Aneja. I'll be walking the ramp for him. Yeah. That's it. Okay, thank you so much.
I'm wearing Del Paso. I'm wearing Del Paso.
We are at the Fashion Award night.
Yeah.
How many awards are you expecting tonight?
I don't know, maybe like one.
So according to you, who's the most fashionable person in Bollywood?
Who is the most fashionable person in Bollywood besides my dad? I love the way Rekha dresses, Jaya Bachchan, Nutan. I mean, all the actresses who've inspired me, Meena Kumari. I think they're incredible.
Summers are here. What would be your perfect ideal summer day?
A cotton a summer day, like a summer day, not a
Want to wear?
like a cotton sari. It's the easiest thing.
What have you signed next?
Not sign anything. Contrary to popular belief. Nothing. Just not doing. I'm just finishing my endorsement obligations and stuff like that. I'm not doing anything. Yeah. I'm very excited. क्योंकि उनका डेब्यू हुआ नहीं है ना, तो डायरेक्टर और प्रोड्यूसर ने इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए हैं. थैंक यू.
I want to put picture for Razia.
So we're going to do it Okay, 1 second. Wow, that dress. It's called a can. I love that. Thank you. Coming again. Please tell them. I need a quick one for Grazia. Can you stand against this? Thank you. Hi, everyone. Monica, a picture for Grazia, please. Yeah.
उसको देना ही नहीं इंटरव्यू.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I am wearing Xenia, and yeah, from top to bottom. Should I start from number one? Me. No, I think there are a lot of fashionable people in Bollywood. People, they all know how to carry themselves very well. And but I think the most quirkiest sense of fashion, I think Ranveer has. And at the same time, he can be very dapper. So I think he's got a very eclectic taste in fashion. Amongst the females, obviously Sonam, there's Kangana, Deepika, Anushka, all of them. Alia, all of them. Battle for Pitora. अभी तक मेरी मुलाकात नहीं होती. I'm meeting Sonam. I'll let you know after that. अच्छा. मैं आपसे सुन रहा हूँ पहली बार, बट आपकी सजेशन मैं करण तक पहुंचा दूंगा. So I think you see the Dharma family is a very big family, and they're very loving and accommodating people. And I'm fortunate to have found some good friends in my past 2 years of working. Initially with AKFCN family, and now with Dharma and family. They really know how to take care of you. So I really like them all. I think they're wonderful people, and it's good to be around them. I'm sorry? सिद्धार्थ थोड़ा जल रहा है कि मेरी रेंज ज्यादा है. No, I think it's very kind of the people, and for me, age is just a number. All women are lovely.
Done.
जगह बनाना या ये तो मुझे नहीं पता, बट अल्लाह का शुक्र है काम मिल रहा है, कर रहे हैं, I'm happy. Thank you.
my life. I think fashion is something that should be extremely personal. It should reflect your personality, and I think that's what I try to do. I try and find clothes that fit my personality, and yeah. In Bollywood, I would say male Ranveer Singh and female Sonam Kapoor. By the pool or at a beach. What would I like to wear? Shorts and a ganji. Done, thank you. Thank you. Can you get a quick picture for Grazia? Yeah. If you move back a little. Perfect. Thank you. Yeah. Y'all got it? Yeah. Hi. Thank you. I'm wearing Nachiket Barbe. Yeah. Fashion means expressing yourself on how you feel. So if you feel that through your clothes, if you feel happy, dress colorful, it's whatever you want to portray. Pardon? In Bollywood, probably Priyanka Chopra. It's just the way that she can transition, like, you know, from like different characters, you know, how she was in her guest campaign compared to when she was doing a music video with Pitbull. I really like her style. It's going to be awesome. Like, I love the whole team. I love Ekta and Pasha, so I know it's going to be great. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Started, I'm sorry.
But I need a red carpet to make that.
बहुत ही बेहतरीन अवार्ड शो. आई थिंक एनी अवार्ड शो दैट ऑलवेज uplifts the young and new talent is always fantastic. ग्रासिया ने बहुत बेहतरीन एफर्ट किया है. मेरे लिए अवार्ड बहुत स्पेशल है क्योंकि मेरी बहुत ही करीबी दोस्त और स्टाइलिस्ट और जिन्होंने मुझे फैशन के बारे में सब कुछ सिखाया है, सुहाया, उनको आज अवार्ड मिल रहा है. उनकी आउटफिट मैंने पहनी हुई है. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. आई एम हियर टू सपोर्ट one of my closest friends in the fashion industry because she's become a brand new fashion designer and won an award tonight. I think fashion और style में बहुत अंतर है. You have to make sure that inherently आप stylish हैं और fashion तो बदलते रहता है, but you have to make sure that you're stylish all the time.
समर भी आ गया तो समर में क्या टिप्स देना चाहेंगे?
समर में मैं यही टिप्स देना चाहूँगी कि just try and keep it as effortless as possible and more importantly जितना आप कम सच धज के निकलेंगे उतना अच्छा लगेगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच. वो बहुत बार मैंने जवाब दिया.